to something. So help myself to help yourself to.
これは自由に食べるという意味です。ご自由にどうぞというときに Please help yourself。自分自身を助けてあげてみたいな直訳ですね。はい。これね、これ help yourself to で使うことが一番多いかな。
I think so. You'll hear help yourself to. Just help yourself.
そうだね。大概会話で使うときは意外と目の前にも食べ物があるので to ない状態で使うのが一番多いです。Please help yourself。to の後につくのはこれ食べ物ですね、実際。はい。
I heard a story about a Japanese exchange student in maybe the US, and their family said, please help yourself to the things in the fridge, the food in the fridge. You can open the fridge and take whatever you want. Please help yourself. And that's very American style. But the student felt a little bit like it was rude because in Japan they would take out the things and, of course, set them out very beautifully. But in the US it's more like help yourself, take what you want. Help yourself means only take what you want. For Americans, if there are many things on the table, maybe they feel like they have to eat everything. They have to try to eat a little bit of everything. So if there's something they don't like, they have to eat it anyway.
本当。
So that's why for us, it's more comfortable if people say, just help yourself to what you want.
Help yourself to what you want というと、食べたいものを自由に食べてねになるわけだ。なるほど。That's interesting. どうです皆さんこうテーブルの上に食べ物がいっぱいあってこう自由にってなった時にアメリカ人の場合は全部食べないとダメかなって思う
Yeah, at least they have to try something of everything.
一口ずつでも、
Because the person took all the trouble to set it out on the table for them, that means they should eat it.
いっぱい並べてくれる
In the US, we don't usually take the trouble to set things out. We're just like, look in the fridge and take what you want.
ただ冷蔵庫を開けて好きなものを取ってとでも日本の場合はいっぱいテーブルの上に並べてくれるからこうちゃんと盛り付けもしてくれるんで全部食べないと悪いかなっていう気になっちゃうんですね全部少しずつでもいいから全部一口ずつ食べないと悪いかなっていうふうになってしまうんですね
But of course Japanese people are also very good about maybe you don't like this so they often make you feel like you don't have to so that's good but just in the case of the Japanese student in the American house they felt Even though they said, please look in the fridge, they felt like they can't look in the fridge.
わかる。
Yeah.
その冷蔵庫を自由に開けて取っていいよって言われても開けにくいですよね。That's I think a really cultural difference.
Yeah.
そっちの方はコリーナにとってはこう more kind of relaxing, casual way. Just open the fridge
and we would look in, and probably I would open someone else's fridge and I would look at what looks good or what looks interesting, and I'd say, oh, what's this? Or is this?What kind of this cheese looks good or something and then they would say oh yeah you can have that so then I would take it
コリーナ例えばコリーナは今日本にいるでしょ日本人の家庭のとこ行ってコリーナにね冷蔵庫好きに開けて何でも食べていいよって言われたら全然
I would look in and I would look for something that looks good or that looks interesting and then I would ask about it
それ結構問題なくできる
Yeah
本当面白いですね皆さんきっと絶対抵抗ありますよね絶対開けないですよね綺麗かどうかそれまた別問題ですよ OK, thank you